All right, we're going to talk about understanding fractions on a number line. Okay. All right. So it says write the missing fraction labels. So I have a number line where I have two whole numbers, don't I? Okay. So my denominator is not going to be from 0 to 2. Just like I told you, it's only from 0 to the first whole number, or from 1 to 2. That's what's going to tell me what my denominator is. Okay. By the way, my denominator is not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's not 6. My denominator is from here to here, or here to here, okay? All right? So tell me, what's my denominator then? 3. All right? Okay, let's label them. What are my numerators? What's the first one? 1. 1 what? 1/3. What comes next? 2/3. Next? 3/3. Next? Next? And then I'm going to need 6/3 because it's right underneath the 2, okay? All right. All right, so it says, Amira says that the letter A is at 7/8, okay? Is she right? Well, what's my, on this number line, okay, if I labeled it every single line with a fraction, what would be the denominator? It's on page 779, guys. What's the difference from 0 to 1 or 1 to 2? Yeah, 4. So my denominator is going to be 4. Okay, 4. Okay, so if I went from 0 to the letter A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 7. Okay, so my numerator is going to be 7, 7/4. Okay, she says that it's 7/8. No, because if it was 7/8, look, if it was 7/8, then it should be like this, but it's not. Then it would be 7/8, but it's no, it's only 7/4. Okay. Says use the number line below to show the fraction 5/6. So I have a number line, right? It's 5/6. So what do I need to do first? Okay, divide the number line or cut it into how many sections? 6? How do I know that? How do I know that I need to do this? How do I know that I need to do this? How do I know that? Here's the fraction. Which one of these tells me that I need to divide into 6? What's the number at the bottom called? Denominator. The number at the bottom, okay, the denominator tells me how many sections I'm going to have. Okay. The numerator, which is the number at the top, okay, is going to tell me where I'm going to put a label, either a dot, a letter, like this. Okay. So it says 5/6. It says use the number line below to show the fraction 5/6. So is it there? Is it there? No, that's 1/6. Okay. Is it here? No, not here. That's 4/6. Okay. So I needed 5. I need to go from 0 to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5/6 is right there. Okay, explain how you knew where to label 5/6. Well, my denominator, my denominator told me that I needed to divide the number line into 6 sections. My numerator told me where I need to put my dot, and that's where it's 5/6. Now it says use the number line below to show that there are eighths, okay, in one whole. When it says eighths, that's my denominator. Do we have 8 sections? Do we? It's on your book. This is your book. Hop from 0 to 1. How many? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, 8. Okay. Says Sarah and John are hiking on a trail that is 2 miles long. There are signs to match each eighth of a mile along the trail. It says draw a line, draw a number line to show the length of the trail, then mark the number line off to show where each sign is. All right, so I need to draw a number line. 0, 2 miles, right? So here's 1 mile, and here's 2 miles. It says there are signs to mark each eighth of a mile along the trail. Okay, eighth. So how many sections am I going to have between each number? I just said it. 8. So I'm going to cut this in half, like this, and then each one of those in half. See, because I get 2. If I cut this in half and this one in half, I get 4. And if I cut this in half, this in half, and this in half, and this in half, I get 8. Okay, so here I have 1/8, then 2, whoops. Let me see if this will work. So 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, 5/8, 6/8, 7/8, 8/8, 9/8, 10/8, 11/8, 12/8, 13/8, 14/8, 15/8, and then 16/8. So like that. That's how you will label an eighth of a mile. Okay. So go to 480 and then draw me a number line that shows 3/4. Go. Draw a number line, okay? Label it and put a dot where 3/4 would be. All right. So the number line, you have to. It says you have to partition or divide or cut it or divide it right into sections. My denominator is going to tell me how many do I need. So letter A, how many sections am I going to need? 3, right? 1, 2, like that. Okay. And then you have to label it. I have 0/3, 0/3. This is 1/3, and this is 2/3. And I have to put the dot where the 2/3 is, right there. Okay, that's it. Okay, look at letter B, because I'm going to show you what to put in each box. All right. So they started off where the 0 is. They started off 0 and then whatever the denominator, right? Okay, so I have 3/4. I'm going to divide the number line into how many sections? 4 of them. Okay, and let's label it. So I know that my denominator is going to be 4. That's easy. So how do I start? Just like I did at the top. 0/4 right here. It goes in the box. And then what comes next? 1/4. Then 2/4. Then 3/4. And what goes in the box on the right? 4/4. And I need to put the dot where? 3/4. Okay. And is that 3/4? No, that's 2/4. 3/4 is right there. So that's what you need to do on this page. Okay. All right. Go on to the next one. All right. So number 1, it says this number line is divided into how many pieces? So look, how many jumps do I go from 0 to 1? What? Do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the number line is divided into how many pieces? 8. That's it. What is the location of letter A? Written as a fraction. So I know that my denominator is A, right? Okay. So how many hops from 0 to the letter A? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. So that's my denominator. My numerator. Sorry. So it says, what is the location of letter A written as a fraction? 4/8. That's all I got to do. Okay. Look at number 3. This number line right here. Okay. This number line for 3, and 4. It says on this number line, what is the value of 1 written as a fraction? So I need to count how many spaces are from 0 to 1. Anybody? It's on your paper.
8.
Yeah, if I just went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how do I write 1 as a fraction with my denominator 8? What should be at the top? Hopefully you remember what equals 1.
2.
8. When my numerator and denominator are the same, they equal 1. Okay. Then it says on this number line from B to C, it's how far? Well, look. How far is from B to C?
1.
1. What's my and what was my denominator? 8. So how far is from B to C? 1/8. Look at number 1. Okay, it says this number line is divided into how many pieces? So from 0 to 1, how much? How much? Guys, from here to here. Can we say it louder? 3. And what is the location of A written as a fraction? So if my distance from 0 to 1 is 3, like this, that's my denominator. Okay? And then how far is 0 to letter A? 2. So as a fraction, the location of letter A is what? 2/3. Okay?